Hi everyone! So this is a very easy recipe to have a great homemade massage bar with only 5 natural ingredients. This bar will last for 6 months in a dry and cool place. So I start melting my cocoa butter. Once it is melted, I add coconut oil, and then extra virgin olive oil. And almond oil. I mix them up and I turn off the fire. At the end, 5 to 8 drops of your favorite essential oil. I choose lavender. I use cupcakes cases, but you can also use silicone ice cube trays, whatever you have and whatever you like. Leave in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes, and once it's solid, take it out. Et voila! I like using baking paper because it's non-stick and it won't absorb the oils in the bar, basically. You can give these massage bars to your loved ones. I'm sure they will love them. I use them on my bath time to moisturize my skin or for massage. I hope you liked this video and thank you for watching. Bye!